It's Saturday morning in Apex, game day for kids and families at the edge of downtown. And for 3 seasons of the year, it's Farmers Market Day at the old train depot turned Chamber of Commerce building. Across the street, the coffee shop is bustling. And very shortly, the rest of downtown's businesses in these pretty brick buildings will be doing the same.
What we are fortunate enough to have here is the result of 2 catastrophes in 1905 and 1911 when a lot of our wooden structures downtown burned in 2 fires within 6 years.
The residents of Apex didn't feel so lucky back in 1911, I'm sure, but they made a critical decision to rebuild only with fireproof brick. That means downtown Apex is essentially delightfully frozen in time.
I think we've really got something going here. We've got a story to tell, and that's the thing. The history of Apex, how it got started, and how it has built up over the years.
But Town Ambassador J.C. Knowles and Mayor Lance Olive can both remember a time when these buildings were nowhere near peak capacity.
Come the 80s, when people started building strip malls around the edges of town, a lot of the businesses either moved out or kind of got run out by the bigger suppliers, people who could buy 100 of something and put them on the shelf. In the late 90s, maybe the early 2000s, we started seeing some reinvestment in the downtown buildings. So what we found here, for what worked for us, is the town understands that our downtown is valuable. And so we make sure we do investments like the light poles and cleaning the streets and making sure we have nice trash cans and nice benches, and we make it a nice, pleasant place to be.
See, we still have that old country atmosphere downtown. It's a family-friendly downtown.
I get people coming here from Pittsboro, from Garner, from Zebulon, even as far down as Henderson. I've had people from Siler City coming all the way up here, or Sanford, just to spend a lunch day and a shopping day.
I'm from here, so I just kind of had a vision for the little historic district. And luckily, I made the choice, and it's prospered. We've been here almost 20 years. Next spring will be 20 years, and when we first opened, it was kind of like a little ghost town. We waited for customers. Sometimes they came, sometimes not, but now we're busy every day.
I had a studio above Antiques on Salem 15 years ago, and I always wanted to get back to downtown Apex. It's a great community. This is a gallery that contains all functional artwork, and all of the work is done by master craftsmen. So I'm a felt maker, which means that I take wool that's been combed or carded, and I layer it, and I design something to come out of it, whether it's a scarf or a hat or a purse.
We absolutely love being here. It's a nice homey feeling. It has a sense of being a real downtown because of all of our brick buildings and everything that we have down here. The farmers market has been a nice addition.
So one thing I've intentionally not mentioned until now is that in 2015, Apex was named the best place to live in America by Money Magazine. That would have been cheating, a spoiler. By now you can see for yourself that Apex has what it takes to attract and satisfy its visitors. But residents here don't seem to be resting on their laurels. They'd like to think they are still getting better.
We do have competition here in Apex. Holly Springs is growing by leaps and bounds, and they have a baseball park. I mean, they've got things going for them, and we're getting there. And I would say within 5 years, Apex is going to be the jewel of Wake County. Now, I don't say that because I'm the historian or ambassador of the town. I think we've really got something going here.
There is truly something interesting happening in downtown Apex just about every weekend. For more information, go to apexdowntown.com.